What's going on, guys? Boy, Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. So today was crucial risk management day. As you can see, we took losses on SPY. Well, we took 2 wins on SPY, 1 loss, loss on AMD, loss on. I'll show you. So SPY to start off the day, right? Mind you, we always start with higher time frames, right? I had a bearish sentiment coming into today because we were coming up to this huge supply zone. And so we got this reject, right? It was actually gorgeous play. This is what it looked like on the 2 minute. We broke, and then I got a bearish engulfing, and then a good retest, and this was our entry to the downside. And we took 670 all the way down to 668.12. Now I hope most people took profits there. I don't think they did. The mistake that came into play for myself is that I took profits, added, and then just got caught up in all this, and then stopped out. So I went a little bit heavier than I wanted to. I gave back a little bit more profits than I would have liked. But overall risk management today was outstanding, right? Like I'm happy for today with how much worse it could have been, right? So this candle closed above the 670.40 level like that, and that's when I stopped out. We got the full break and retest right here on the 670 level. So when this candle closed back above that level, I had to switch my mindset to the upside, and sure enough, it went straight to the next level. So that alone was almost, it was $1.20 move, right? Which is still good. I did want to target that 672.30, but I actually sold like right here. I didn't want to pinch pennies because I'm making up money, you know? So, like, if I was already in profits, I wouldn't mind. I would still hold it a little bit. But we got Trump speaking soon. We got all this news coming out. So, I would rather just be safe than sorry and take it. Um, oh, man. File a trade investigation into China's compliance with the 2020 deal. But there's also a bullish harami. Look up patterns. All right. So, anyways, sorry. Get back to the point. So that's what happened with SPY today. And then on the watch list, you have the above 670 to 672. So I told the chat that I already took profits. It was like 45%. Yeah, 45% here. Only a runner now. I sold my runner right here, and then like at this candle close, I sold it, and then here it comes. Like I'm just like I could probably delete that, but I'm just excited to see what happens, even though I'm not in anything. And then yeah, so then we go to AMD, bro. AMD also, man, we're just sitting in this supply zone all day. So initial rejection was great. AMD never really gave it to us. We got the retest, we got the down move, and this was definitely a good trim, but I didn't trim. It's not what I was looking for. Um, but yeah, I knew that we had to break this London session high, and if we didn't, then we're gonna stay up. And that's what happened. We just kept ranging, right? So right here, I just stopped out, and called it a day. That was a super small. I mean, that was just theta that killed it. So really, we sold right where we bought in, maybe 10 cents above. So again, great risk management. I think I only lost like $20 on that trade. Um, not going heavy position sized either, obviously, because we are more towards the bullish side. I just didn't know if it was going to be a full sweep. So you know, that's what you go for if you want to risk more or if you just take full profits at first. And then I also stopped out of Nvidia. Nvidia I stopped out of. So we approached the supply level from previous day and came up. You see we got a nice rejection originally. So this is where we entered. And then we got this nice rejection, got this push up. Cool, could have been a little scary. Closed fine. Push down. This was a good trim. 181.40, so 182.20, 181.40. Sold half my position here, and then sure enough, it came back up. This happened, and then we're just chopping. This happened. and then we got the bullish candle. So I just sold. It gets tiring sometimes holding. Like there's also mental capacity, right? I could have just left it, saying I didn't care about it, but I don't want to do that because it's just not. It's dumb to give back money for no reason. And now we'll see. Now I think that was the big break to retest to go to the upside. So we'll see. Well, not yet. Shoot, not yet. Yeah, we'll see what happens with the news. But risk management, risk management, risk management, risk management. It's crucial for this. Like, I want it to go down. I wanted it to go down so bad. Like it came up. I was like, I could add more. No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to. Right, and then stopped out. And then up here, it's like, oh well, I could add to my puts, right? Because like there's no way I'm wrong. It's in a sell zone. It's got to go down. No, it does not. And that's why I went to my watch list and I was like this is literally my mindset today. I saw it break up. Well, I stopped out and then I saw it come up here. I'm like, dude, I'm like, maybe it'll reject here. And I'm like, wait a second. We're at 671 right now. Let me zoom out. Let me take a deep breath and look what we're doing. Okay, cool. We should just bounce here, right? Watch list 670 to 672. So I entered because of my watch list. And yeah, I went light, obviously, because I still didn't like today, and we still had bearish divergence. So it played out. 671.60. I was a little off. But day's not over yet. So it's like flipping your mindset to that is super important. And Tesla went crazy. We literally could have had Tesla right there. That 430 break. I had a feeling. I just don't like all this. But that was a gorgeous trade. And indicators match. Probably should have taken some more time to look at Tesla. But it's alright. Meta again with the reject. See, meta to the downside would be nice right now, but nah. I'm not touching nothing. So I don't know. I think that's pretty much everything I was going over. Kyle he did hit Tesla trades, but they sold mad early. I think it was like here he entered somewhere over here, and then they took profits at the 430 level ish, like 432. So that's very smart. Take profit level, and then obviously you can see we broke it and continued up. Even the break of this is like textbook, like strong break, nice retest, good candle close, enter. Like that's nice. You could enter there with a stop loss here. That's a dollar stop. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we missed it. That was the easiest $10 we could have. $10 move. So yeah, I definitely should have looked at Tesla today. So guys, as you can see, I still get FOMO too. Like there's always gonna be trades that you missed or should have taken or should have looked at. But dude, it's the fun of the game, right? Like you win some, you lose some. The trades that I chose today, majority of those trades ended up just chopping in the supply zone, and then eventually breaking through. So risk management is crucial. We could have lost a lot today if you didn't stop out when you're supposed to. You have to react to the market, not try to predict it. All right, I say that all the time. React, not predict. But it's your boy Mike Lowy. Hope you learned something. Like, comment, subscribe, ask questions. I'll answer. I go live every morning, an hour before market open, to go over what we're looking for and give you an idea of what's going to happen for the day.